Hey guys, how you doing today? Welcome to another episode of John's Photography. Today I got this Joby suction cup and locking arm. Why did I buy this? The reason why I bought this is for the main reason that I have a Yi action camera. So I bought this for that reason. It's designed for small cameras like that, small action cameras. Pretty much it consists of 3 parts. A tripod mount, which I already got, so I don't need another one. The locking arm itself, and then the suction cup. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up and then tell you my initial thoughts on how the quality is and everything. So let's go ahead and open it up right here, and the stuff is already falling out. We'll start with the paperwork that's falling out. We have Joby suction cup proper use. On how to properly use it. Not hard, it's a suction cup to stick it. This is Joby Action Series. It's a little catalog with all the other stuff they got. And then we have the actual on how to assemble it and put it together. So let's go ahead and, I don't need directions. Let's go ahead and just undo this and everything. Again, I don't need the actual tripod mount here. For the simple reason I got one on the thing already. Right off the bat, I'm just looking at this real quick, see how this is and everything. You give it a little turn and it, actually does the suction cup thing itself. So, and then this feels somewhat, well, the knob definitely feels plasticky. But the actual construction feels like metal. It's a magic arm type deal, so the more that you undo the knob, the more the magic arm comes out and works properly. Just don't undo it all the way like I just did. So, the whole idea. Screw it in, make sure it's tight. Screw this in. Again. Screw it in, be fine. Okay, then tighten the knob down on where you want it and how you can position it however you want. You guys know how it is. Just lock the arm and make it tight, and just like that, holding on, nothing, it's won't move or nothing on you unless you actually loosen the screw itself. So that's part I think will work well. It's not going to be too heavy, I don't think. The construction, I kind of like the construction. I like this little twist to make this happen, to get the suction cup actually go in and stuff like that. So anyways, my overall thoughts, I like it. I hope it works well and everything like that. So so this is just a quick overview of the Joby suction cup and locking arm. They did not send this to me. I did buy it from Schillers because I like buying from my local camera companies. I'm sure you can get it on Amazon and stuff like that or whatever. But I do suggest buy local nonetheless. And until next time, if you like this, great. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, do all that jazz and everything. And so, yeah. That's all I really got to say about it right now. I haven't tested it. I'm probably going to put it in the truck right now, and you're going to see some clips right about now showing this and everything on my, you'll see a time lapse or something, I think. So anyways, that's all I have for this right now. The sun's just about to come out of the clouds, so I better wrap this up before the lighting changes dramatically. So until next time, peace out. Bye.